Hey guys, thank you for joining. In today's video, we're going to be talking about brows. I just want to quickly jump on and show you guys my updated brow routine. So if you're interested to know how I do my brows, then keep on watching. So here's the close-up of my eyebrow. I've already done this eyebrow and I'm going to show you how I do it on this one. Just brush through the hairs to see how they are placed and what are the sparse areas that I need to fill in. And then I take my Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Ebony. I'm going to use this Viva 317 wing liner brush for this. So I want to create a small arch, very soft small arch. So I slowly go in and there you go. Now I'm going to slowly go in and fill in my brows. Light-handed feathery strokes, guys. First you want to define the shape and then you can go ahead and fill it in. So once I'm done with creating that arch for the brow, like that. So I really like how the shape turned out. Now it's time to fill in this part of the brow. As you can see, this helps. If you have hooded eyes like me, raising your eyebrow a little bit can help you define the shape a lot easier. I'm going to trace this line to make it look full up. Now that I got the basic shape done, I'm gonna brush through the eyebrow once again so that the product gets evenly dispersed. This is where it becomes more natural. You will get rid of any harsh lines. As you can see, the base of the eyebrow is done. All you have to do is now go ahead and fill in the gaps. So there you go, guys, it's done. As you can see, I just define my eyebrows and then I fill in the sparse areas that I have left in this area. I really don't like to touch the beginning of my brows because I like how the hair has been distributed or how it looks. I like to keep it quite natural, but I tend to fill in this part of my brow. So once you're done with that, brush them up. The product gets dispersed evenly and you'll end up with the natural looking brow without them looking like too boxy. Last step for my brow routine is that I like to take a highlighter and just highlight only this area because I have a hooded eye. If I go ahead and highlight the entire brow bone, it makes my lid space look very small and bulgy, which I don't like. So I just like to highlight this part. As you can see, it adds that nice arch kind of an effect. I use Ricepaper eyeshadow by MAC to highlight my brow bone. That's how I fill in my brows. If you guys are wondering why I haven't added any brow gel to set my brows, is because I really don't like to set my brows. It's just my preference, but you can totally go ahead and add your own favorite brow gel to set your brows in place, and you can pretty much customize the steps according to your preference. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. Once you subscribe, press on the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.